look at that.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, I want to pick it up to decorate our room.
But we don't have a vase. Oh, I have some idea.
We have already a bottle glass in our room, so I think I will do DIY vest from bottle glass. What do you think?
Really?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
First, preparing a bottle glass. Second, stick the rope with glue on the top of the bottle. Third, then roll a rope around the bottle. Fourth, put glue the stick at rope for tying and roll a rope until a butt of bottle. Then start a new rope to make soldier. 6. Stick glue at the beginning. 7. Then roll a rope be a circle till finish.
First, use a cutter pierce a can to be whole equally to make a fill. Pierce 4 sides. Second, stick bottle cap to the wood stick with the glue at the only one side. Then, put it through the hole that we make at first. Next, stick a bottle cap on the other side. Do the same on the another wheel. Third, cut out the top side of the can to be square shape for making a rooftop. Put glue at the corner of a square shape. Stick together with the same side of the wood sticks. Finally, stick aluminum pull tab at the front and then finish.
No.
What's up, man? Oh, what's up, man? You look poorly. What happened to you?
I have a little problem. Is maybe what's wrong with the electronic systems? My room, the light up went off now. I can't see anything. Can you help me?
Actually, I think I have new idea that will be great for you.
What it is?
It's called CalLab. It can help. It can help your room bright when the power went out. Let's do it.
First, use a scissors pierce a can to make a lot of holes. Second, use cutter cut the top of can to make it open. Next, cut the candle to make it shorten. Then put the candle on the middle of can. Finally, set the fire on the candle. Finish.
Here is it.